So it's Christmas Eve. I want to make this special video for you. I just looked at the coin market cap. I will tell you I do have a third Bitconnect strategy coming up. If you see, you can look for those videos on my last couple of videos I did, or actually my last video, and then I've got another video that I made as well. You can check it out. It's my Bitconnect investing strategy, and I still have a third video to add to that playlist. I'll probably do that shortly after Christmas. But this is Christmas Eve, and I happened to check the coin market cap, so I thought, let's make a quick video to kind of explain how I do my investments in this kind of market. Now, I don't mind seeing a down market. I've been talking, I've basically been predicting this was going to happen. The market has dropped significantly off of its highs. The market has been, depending on which exchange you were looking at, the market's been as high as $20,000 per Bitcoin. Right now we're at 13,000. I think this is a good thing. Bitcoin needed to pull back a little bit, so I think this is awesome. And if you look at the market has pulled back a lot across the board almost. Ethereum is up a little bit, but Cash is down a little bit. Ripple's down quite a bit. There's some double-digit downs. Monero's down 10%. EOS is 1%. NEO's up actually 1.9. That's worth noting. Tron is down 17%. Let me say goes up 7. Bitconnect's down 17%. So Stratus is up a little bit. So this is overall it's a down day. The market's at 532. I'd be okay if it dropped below 500. And it's just because it's been so heated up lately. It's good for the market to pull back, I think. I think gains become more sustainable long term. So, however, the question is, how do you invest in this market? And I can't speak for you. You have to make your own investing decision. This isn't investing advice for you. My entire channel, as far as your personal opinions or your personal advice, consider this personal satire for you. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is my adventures and my opinion in the crypto space. But here's what I can tell you. I like to be buying when the market's coming down. And my entire focus, and in a future video I'm going to discuss the focus of my investing. My investing is not just about owning Bitcoin and watching Bitcoin go up. It's really about producing daily and monthly cash flow. So I kind of have daily cash flow targets, if you will. And when I say cash flow, it's relatively speaking, because obviously sometimes, I earn money from mining, so that's money that I'm getting in, Bitcoin. I also earn in Ethereum, and I also earn money from investments like Bitconnect. I'm going to be adding in some masternodes. So when I talk about I like to earn daily and daily cash flow, of course, I'm not actually getting dollars, right? I'm getting cryptocurrency, and I'm able to calculate about how much cryptocurrency that is based off the value, the current market price of that cryptocurrency. So let's take a look at this. And the reason I like to do that is because for me, it's a form of kind of dollar cost averaging. So you see, let me just show you this. Anybody can look back and say, oh, you'd have been a genius if you'd have bought Bitcoin back here. But look at this big pullback. If you just got into the crypto market here at $20,000 or so, you're not a genius. You'd be considered an idiot. Except you don't have a crystal ball, 19,005. You don't have a crystal ball. So how did you know it was going to go up or down? Someone can say, yeah, well, you knew it's been going up. It was time for it to come down. That's correct, but you could have said that right here. Someone could have said that right here. Oh, it's been going up. Heck, it's $7,000 right there. January 1st, it was at about 1,000, so it's went up 700%. You know the market's ready for a tank. If you would have been thinking that and you would have stayed out of the market, you'd have missed out on all this. I don't like to bet on the direction of the market. I do have a feeling that long term the market goes up, potentially way up. But day to day, you can lose money trying to bet on which direction the market's going to go. So you buy in here and then it goes up. That's great. But if you buy in and it goes down, if you buy in here and it goes up, if you buy right here and the market drops and then it goes up, you're like, oh, I made the right move. Then it goes down, you're like, crap, I made a bad move. I like to consistently have a system where I'm investing, monthly or weekly or daily. But the reason that I like investment strategies where I earn crypto daily, like in mining or Bitconnect or masternodes, the thing that I like about that is I kind of have, it's almost a way of dollar cost averaging. So when I buy a mining contract, I can project if the market doesn't change, how much I'm going to earn. Except we know the market always changes. So when I buy that mining contract, if the market drops tomorrow, I don't care. The mining contract is still profitable. And when I talk about mining, I'm talking about things like Genesis mining. The mining contract is still profitable. I'm still going to earn money. So it doesn't matter to me what the market does tomorrow when it comes to mining. Now, if the market is down, sustainably down, long term, then I'm going to lose money probably on my mining contracts, and then they may not be profitable any longer. That could happen. But you could also buy Bitcoin and it could hit the dirt and you lose too potentially. So what I like about mining is even if the market shoots up, I'm still buying a little bit. I'm getting a little bit every day from my mining power. If it goes down, that's okay. I'm still getting a little bit. It gives me a form of consistency. There's all sorts of arguments. You should just buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. But I like getting that daily crypto. Same thing here with Bitconnect. So right here in Bitconnect, the way Bitconnect works, if you don't know, is you basically deposit Bitcoin. You exchange the Bitcoin to Bitconnect tokens using their exchange. They have a full-on exchange on the website. This is going to take too long. So you use their exchange to buy Bitconnect tokens. And then once you buy Bitconnect tokens, you lend it back to the platform. And they have a trading algorithm, trading robot, whatever you want to call it, that trades on volatility. So you lend, once you have Bitconnect tokens, you lend Bitconnect tokens here. Amount in USD, amount in Bitconnect. So you lend back the Bitconnect tokens here, and they trade on the interest of the currency market. And so, for example, today we got a 1.2% payout. Tomorrow we'll get a 0.48% Christmas Day. Let's see where we're at right now. Right now, at 0.52. So depending on where this is at tomorrow night, it'll lock in an interest payment. So here's the thing. This interest payment, where you're getting paid out every day, regardless if the market goes up or down, because they're trading on the volatility. So even if the market goes down, it's volatile. Now, I've yet to see how well their trading algorithm can do if it's down long term sustainably, but we're going to find out if that happens. And I suspect it's very possible that could happen. However, without a massive market dip, what I get back, this is $8 worth of Bitconnect coins right here. When the market's low like it is, right around 13,000, I transfer it in my Bitconnect wallet. Why? Because this is $8 right now. Until I transfer it in my Bitconnect wallet, which this is Bitconnect tokens, this is $8 worth. But when the price is low at 235, I'm able to buy a little bit more. If the price goes up to like 400, where it has been before, then I'm buying a lot less. I like to go ahead and transfer that over. Whenever I log in, I see it's around, just click all, transfer, confirm, close. So now that's sitting here in my Bitconnect wallet. So I just bought $8 worth. I've locked it in now on the Bitconnect, now on Bitconnect coins. And I kind of basically each day, when I'm not reinvesting, then if the price is low, I like to go ahead and hold it in my Bitconnect wallet until I eventually move it over to Bitcoin. And the reason I do that is just because I suspect the price is going to go up in a few days. And right now, historically, over the past week or so, this is a pretty good price. This is a low price. The market may continue to drop. This price could drop down to 200. Guess what? I'm still going to be locking in daily. So I'm locking in prices. I'm getting that daily crypto every single day. And eventually I can move it over to my Bitcoin wallet. So I like to be earning crypto every single day because in some ways it gives me some of the benefits of dollar cost averaging. And it's just a consistency. Right now, I'm going to do a video just in Bitconnect right now. You can see my active investment. I've built this up to $6,500. And I have basically one affiliate that's put in a small loan. But I reinvest, by the way, any of my affiliate earnings, I just immediately invest them into the platform. Because my goal is to grow the platform. I believe in this platform. I don't know how it's going to do if there's a strong dip in the market, but that's going to always be the case. So anytime I get affiliate payouts, I just put them directly. I just invest them right away. I do pull out a small percentage, and I cover that, and I'll cover that in a future video. I do pull out a small percentage each month, but I just move that over to Bitconnect coins and then to my Bitconnect wallet. Right now the market's down. I want to keep buying Bitconnect coins while they're cheap right now. And I like to so I get daily, I get about $65 every day right now. That's my daily earnings just with Bitconnect alone, not considering what I get with Genesis, which is only right now a couple dollars a day. I'm going to be buying more mining power when those 8 terahash go into effect. I'll be getting probably closer to about $15 a day when this goes into effect in February, when the full power goes into effect in February. So 15 on top of 60, if you were to do that today, that's got me at about $75 a day that I'm earning right now. If this was already in effect, but it's not. So I'm at about $2 a day. About $67 a day is what I'm earning in crypto. That's the value in crypto that I'm currently earning. And I just keep reinvesting that with the goal of growing it, regardless of whether the market goes up or down. I do not worry about the market going up or down. If I see it coming back down, I'm like, oh, this is good. And I do, if the market's going up, I don't usually do a lot of transferring every day. It's only when I see it down like this. I mean, I usually just kind of hold it in my lending wallet. But when I see it down like this, I'm like, let me just lock in some of these prices, because this market has a way of just shooting up on you. And I don't want to miss out on, these low prices if I can help it. A lot of people are scared right now. I had a buddy tell me yesterday, I thought he said it best. When other people are scared, that's when I want to be buying. When other people are excited, they're buying, and that's when I'm like, I'll buy just because I invest a little bit consistently, but I'm not crazy about it. I'm not trying to buy at all-time highs if I can help it. Yes, I believe the market can go higher, but there's always pullbacks. There's always pullbacks. Hope you've gotten some out of this video. If you have any questions down below in the comments, put your questions in the comments. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you want to hear my next video, my last video in the series of how to invest in Bitconnect as far as Bitconnect strategies. I've just discussed different strategies that I've heard about and that people use, and I've got one more video to do related to Bitconnect strategies. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and stay tuned for that video to come. By the way, have a very Merry Christmas. God bless.